Natasha for now as she's gathering more details of this crash.
Right, Niranjan, breaking news, as you said, coming in from the official Civil Aviation Administration, saying that a Boeing 737 of China Eastern Airlines lost contact over Wuzhou, Guangzhou during the flight from Kunming to Guangzhou, which was under 2 hours flight time. It was only 1 hour 55-minute route. There were 132 people on board this plane, including 123 passengers and 9 crew members. This is an official statement coming in from Civil Aviation Administration that a Boeing 737 with 132 people on board, including 123 passengers and 9 crew members, has lost contact over Wuzhou and crashed into the mountain region of Guangzhou. You can see the visuals that we've accessed here, viewers, that 5 videos show you the devastation it has caused. Plumes of smoke coming out of the debris. The plane itself is on fire. From the visuals you can see here, smoke coming out of the mountains. Number of casualties still remain uncertain. No official word from Chinese state media or the airlines on the number of casualties and the people injured or the cause of the crash itself. This plane was going from Kunming to Guangzhou. The flight time was only under 2 hours, viewers. Now, this plane itself is over 6 years old. It was delivered to China in 2015. Now, the official statement coming in that 132 people were on board. Now, the jet involved in the accident was a Boeing 737 aircraft, and the number of casualties is still not known. Rescue operations as we speak are underway. But you can see, as this is a terraneous region, it may take some time to get the actual number of casualties or the number of injuries. But from the visuals we can see a lot of eyewitnesses posting these visuals out, and you can see the smoke coming out of the mountain regions here. Now, this China Eastern flight from Kunming to Guangzhou departed at 1:11 p.m. and the flight tracking itself ended at 2:22 p.m. at an altitude of 3,225 feet with a speed of 376 knots. It had been due to land at 3:05 p.m. today, viewers. No word on the cause of the crash of the plane yet. It is a 6-year-old 737-800 aircraft. The jet involved in the accident, Boeing 737 with 132 people on board with 9 crew members, and casualties yet unknown. Back to you, Niranjan.
As Natasha will take a short break and come back with a breaking news story, taking a break, back with a live coverage.